हेलो बच्चों, आई एम डॉक्टर पद्मा श्रीवास्तव। आज मैं आप लोग को मॉडर्न ट्रेंड्स इन टैक्सोनॉमी में मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ साइटोलॉजी इन टैक्सोनॉमी बताना चाहती हूँ। इसमें सबसे पहला जो पॉइंट है दैट इज़ क्रोमोसोम नंबर। तो सबसे अधिक क्रोमोसोम नंबर और सबसे कम क्रोमोसोम नंबर और कितना क्रोमोसोम में वेरिएशन है और क्रोमोसोम्स की जो संख्या है वो डेफिनेट है, इस तरह के वेरिएशन हमको देखने को मिलते हैं। तो क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज़ डेफिनेट एंड कांस्टेंट फॉर एवरी प्लांट स्पीशीज़. Haplopappus gracilis has the lowest chromosome number 2n is equal to 4, while the highest chromosome number is found in Polytorosa, 2n is equal to 265. Sometimes a group of plant possesses constant chromosome number. For example, in Quercus plant of family Fagaceae and in other members of the same family has the basic chromosome number is constant, that is n is equal to 12. Therefore, different taxa in such groups cannot be recognized. Polyploid series in several genera have long been recognized, that is, different species of Salix show chromosome number in multiple of 19, like 2n is equal to 38 in Salix viminalis, 2n is equal to 76 in Salix atrocinerea, 2n is equal to 114 in Salix Filicifolia and 2n is equal to 152 in Salix marcinitis. Besides, another polyploid series is found in Taraxacum where 2n is equal to 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. In different species, reproductive irregularities are exhibited which like chromosome number apomixis. Cytologists held the opinion that such taxa in which chromosome number is different should be included in different species. Polyploidy is very common among angiosperms and nearly 50% of plants are known as polyploids. Sometimes the basic number of chromosomes in some species increased by or decreased by number 2n plus 1 और 2n minus 1, यानी कि monosomics और nullisomics, and consequently they are called trisomics 2n plus 1 and monosomics 2n minus 1. In trisomics, due to additional or extra chromosome, special characteristics are seen in the phenotype of the plant. Such double monosomics do not survive. Disomic triploids in Taraxacum are seen. तो इस प्रकार से डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर के कारण बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस हमको देखने को मिलते हैं और इनकी स्टडी के द्वारा हम टैक्सोनॉमिक क्राइटेरिया डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. सेकंड है क्रोमोसोम मॉर्फोलॉजी. क्रोमोसोम्स की जो संख्या है उसमें जो जीन्स हैं वो प्लांट के फिनोटाइप पर इफेक्ट डालते हैं. जैसे कि देयर occurs variation in number of chromosomes. Beside numbers, variations are found in form, size, volume, distribution of heterochromatin in chromosomes. Such characterizations is called karyotype, which helps in the classification of plant. We study all the characteristics with the help of microscope under the division cytology. Monocotyledonous plants possess large size chromosome in comparison to dicotyledons. Woody plants have small chromosomes in comparison to herbaceous plants. On the basis of size of chromosome, phylogeny of some plants has been studied. In some taxa, chromosomes exhibit variations in shape and size during the metaphase stage of mitotic cell division. Differences in the length of the arm of the basis of form chromosomes have been named symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical chromosomes are V-shaped with arms are equal in length, centrally located centromeres, while asymmetrical chromosomes are J-shaped or T-shaped with unequal arm size. Position of centromere is subterminal. Such characteristics in chromosome morphology can be studied in members of family Ranunculaceae. B chromosomes are equally small in size and are heterochromatic, which occurs in different frequencies in some plant groups. During meiosis, B chromosomes do not form pair with normal chromosomes. There exists relationship between different frequencies and ecological factors of B chromosome. तो इस प्रकार से हमने देखा कि किस प्रकार से क्रोमोसोम नंबर एंड क्रोमोसोम मॉर्फोलॉजी के द्वारा टैक्सोनॉमिक में प्लांट्स की जो पोजीशन है वो डिसाइड की जा सकती है. Thank you.